Action-packed learning: how hands-on activities can improve retention and understanding. Hands-on learning is an effective way for learners to engage with the material, develop practical skills, and apply their knowledge to real-world situations. Here are 5 examples of hands-on learning. 1. Laboratory experiments. In science and technology-related fields, laboratory experiments are an effective way for learners to apply their knowledge and skills in a hands-on setting. 2. Simulation exercises. Simulation exercises, such as flight simulators or financial market simulations, provide learners with opportunities to apply their knowledge and skills in a realistic, hands-on setting. 3. Role plays and scenario-based activities. Role plays and scenario-based activities provide learners with opportunities to practice applying their knowledge and skills in real-world situations and to receive feedback on their performance. 4. Project-based learning. Project-based learning involves learners working on a real-world project where they can apply their knowledge and skills to solve a problem or complete a task. 5. Practical workshops. Practical workshops, such as cooking classes, woodworking classes, or photography workshops, provide learners with hands-on opportunities to develop practical skills and knowledge in a specific area. By incorporating hands-on learning into the training, learners can engage with the material, develop practical skills, and apply their knowledge to real-world situations, which can enhance their learning experience and promote long-term retention. If you've enjoyed this design tip, hit the like button and subscribe now to keep listening. To hear more such tips and tricks, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media pages.